Subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon. Hello all my dear students, it's Hseb Suraj once again for you to help. Today I have brought grammar section for all of you from class 12's upper intermediate meaning into words. I would like to request all of you to watch and listen all these questions and the answers very attentively for your better understanding. I would also like to request all of you to copy all these structures displayed in the video and try to make possible guesses of these questions answers before they are displayed in the video. Unit 2 Appearance Mixed Exercises. The important topics from Unit 2 are look, sound, smell, taste, feel. Meaning into words, Class 12, SSCV, NEB, Board. Presenting Unit 2 Appearance Mixed Exercises. Look, smell, sound, taste, feel. To solve different questions related with these topics, we have to know about all these topics' main structures. Before moving ahead, we have to know about 5 sense organs. I can see. For eye, we have to use look structure. Nose can smell. For nose, we have to use smell structure. Ear can hear. For ear, we have to use sound structure. Tongue can taste. For tongue, we have to use taste structure. Skin can touch. For skin, we have to use feel structure. Now, main structures for look. There are 3 different answer structures related with look. Number first structure, subject plus look or looks plus adjective. Number second structure, subject plus look or looks plus like plus noun or noun adjective. Number third structure, subject plus look or looks plus as if or as though plus clause. Now examples for you. Number first example, he looks naughty. Number second example, she looks like an intelligent girl. Number third example, John looks as if he is upset. Now main structures for smell. There are 3 different answer structures related with smell. Number first structure, subject plus smell or smells plus adjective. Number second structure, subject plus smell or smells plus like plus noun or noun adjective. Number third structure, subject plus smell or smells plus as if or as though plus clause. Now examples for you. Number first example, it smells terrible. Number second example, it smells like mutton curry. Number third example, it smells as if it is rice pudding. Now main structures for sound. There are 3 different answer structures related with sound. Number first structure, subject plus sound or sounds plus adjective. Number second structure, subject plus sound or sounds plus like plus noun or noun adjective. Number third structure, subject plus sound or sounds plus as if or as though plus clause. Now examples for you. Number first example, it sounds scary. Number second example, it sounds like pop song. Number third example, it sounds as if they are scolding us. Now main structures for taste. There are 3 different answer structures related with taste. Number first structure, subject plus taste V1 or V5 plus adjective. Number second structure, subject plus taste, V1 or V5 plus like plus noun or noun adjective. Number third structure, subject plus taste, V1 or V5 plus as if or as though plus clause. Now examples for you. Number first example, it tastes bitter. Number second example, it tastes like lemon juice. Number third example, it tastes as if it is chocolate. Now main structures for feel. There are three different types of answer structures related with feel. Number first structure, subject plus feel or feels plus adjective. Number second structure, subject plus feel or feels plus like plus noun or noun adjective. Number third structure, subject plus feel or feels plus as if or as though plus clause. Now examples for you. Number first example, it feels hard. Number second example, it feels like sharp metal. Number third example, it feels as if it is sticky material. Now subject-verb agreements for you. After these subjects as he, she, it, singular noun, uncountable noun, we have to make use of V5. After these subjects as I, we, you, they, plural noun, we have to make use of V1. Now questions and their answers for you. I would like to request all of you to make possible guesses of these questions answers before they are displayed in the video. Now questions and the answers related with look structures for you. You have to answer the question using look or looks. Question number 1. He needs a wash. And the answer is he looks as if he needs a wash. Question number 2. Rather aggressive. And the answer is he looks rather aggressive. Question number 3. A tramp. And the answer is he looks like a tramp. Question number 4. Angry. And the answer is he looks angry. Question number 5. He is going to start fight. And the answer is he looks as if he is going to start fight. Question number 6. Terribly complicated. And the answer is it looks terribly complicated. Question number 7. It costs a lot. And the answer is it looks as if it costs a lot. Question number 8. Very elegant. And the answer is it looks very elegant. Question number 9. Something from outer space. And the answer is it looks like something from outer space. Question number 10. It gives excellent reproduction. And the answer is it looks as if it gives excellent reproduction. Question number 11. A honeymoon couple. And the answer is they look like a honeymoon couple. Question number 12. They are celebrating. And the answer is they look as if they are celebrating. Question number 13. They have just had some good news. And the answer is they look as if they have just had some good news. Question number 14. They have come out of a swimming pool. And the answer is they look as if they have come out of a swimming pool. Question number 15. They are in love. And the answer is they look as if they are in love. Question number 16. Happy. And the answer is they look happy. Question number 17. Drunkard. And the answer is he looks drunkard. Question number 18. She has never seen a mountain. And the answer is she looks as if she has never seen a mountain. Now, questions and the answers related with look or looks, as if or as though for you. Question number 1. You see a man lying on the ground in a pool of blood. And the answer is he looks as if he is about to die. Question number 2. You see the girl standing on the seashore staring into the water. And the answer is she looks as if she is unhappy. Question number 3. You see a man lying on the floor laughing. And the answer is he looks as though he is mad. Question number 4. You see a woman whose clothes are soaked and she is sneezing. And the answer is she looks as if she had just had a bath. Question number 5. You see a man lying underneath a car. And the answer is he looks as if he is a mechanic. Question number 6. You see someone climbing through a window. And the answer is he looks as if he is a thief. Question number 7. You see boy and girl sitting together in a restaurant. And the answer is they look as if they are lovers. Question number 8. You see a man carrying heavy load in the street. And the answer is he looks as if he is a porter. Question number 9. You see a small girl singing and asking for money. And the answer is she looks as if she is beggar. Question number 10. You see some boys with uniform and bags. And the answer is they look as if they are school students. Now, questions and the answers from Unit 2. Mix exercises. Look or looks. Smell or smells. Sound or sounds. Taste or tastes. Feel or feels. Dash dash dash. Or like dash dash dash. Or as if dash dash dash. Or as though dash dash dash. Question number 1. You can hear people singing next door. And the answer is they sound as if they are celebrating birthday party. Question number 2. When you open the door of your flat, there is a strong smell of smoke. And the answer is it smells as if someone had just smoked. Question number 3. When you drink a glass of water, you realize that it certainly isn't ordinary drinking water. And the answer is it tastes as if it has been mixed with orange powder. Question number 4. Surely he isn't a manual worker. And the answer is he looks like a businessman. Question number 5. Are you sure this is tea? And the answer is it tastes like beer. Question number 6. I wonder who wrote that music. And the answer is it sounds like folk Nepali music. Question number 7. He has got foreign accent. And the answer is he sounds like an American. Question number 8. The material is very soft. And the answer is it feels as if it is fur. Question number 9. What is that you are cooking? And the answer is it smells tasty. Question number 10. They have got similar faces. And the answer is they look as though they are twins. Question number 11. This isn't a real leather, is it? And the answer is it feels like plastic. Question number 12. I have got something in my shoes. And the answer is it feels like a sharp stone. Question number 13. I don't think you made this cake yourself. And the answer is it tastes as if professional has made this. Question number 14. When you touch your writing desk, you notice it is sticky. And the answer is it feels as if it is gum. Now, questions for you to practice at home.